Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer books to new entity using Gusto migration step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Gusto account. Navigate to the dashboard to locate the settings option. Click on settings to open the available configurations. Scroll down to find the export section. Select export data to begin the book transfer process. Choose the entity from which you want to transfer books. Click on the Books option to access your current book records. Review the list of books you plan to transfer. Select the specific books that you want to migrate. You will see an option to export selected books. Click on that option to download the book data in CSV format. Once the download is complete, navigate back to the dashboard. Click on Settings again to start the import process. Scroll to the Import section within Settings. Select Import Data to upload your book records. Choose the entity to which you want to transfer books. Select the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Map the fields in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Gusto. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy. Click on Import Books to start the migration. Wait for the process to complete as Gusto uploads the records. Check for any error messages after the import is finished. If necessary, address any issues highlighted by Gusto. Verify that the books have been properly transferred to the new entity. You can check this by navigating to the Books section of the new entity. Confirm that all selected books are listed and correctly formatted. Your book transfer using Gusto migration is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.